Welcome to Ptrac Training Video 03, Routing List. My name is Shane, and I'm one of the Ptrac developers. The Route Inspections screen is where inspectors with routing permission will route inspections to inspectors. In this video, we will learn about the features in the Route Inspections page, including date and text filters, map view, routing, and refreshing. By default, only unassigned inspections due the next business day are displayed. To change the due date, click the calendar icon. Select a date range by tapping on a start date and an end date. Tap Save in the top right. Any inspections that are colored green are re-inspections. To display both assigned and unassigned inspections, uncheck the box labeled Show Only Unassigned Inspections. You can sort inspections by tapping on the column headers. Tap once to sort alphabetically. Tap twice to sort reverse alphabetically. Tap a third time to remove the sorting. Fields that are blank are sorted at the top alphabetically and at the bottom reverse alphabetically. You can change your column display preferences in the User Preferences screen. Refer to Training Video 02 for more information about user preferences. The search bar above the routing tables allows you to filter inspections that match the search terms. You can search by any text that appears in an inspection, such as an assignee, an address, inspection name, builder, etc. If you need to search across multiple properties, use the filter view. Open the filter view by tapping the inverted lined triangle on the right side of the screen, between the calendar icon and the refresh icon. Type your filtering criteria into the appropriate boxes. Tap Apply to apply the filters to the table. Only the inspections that match our filter criteria are visible. You can remove a single filter by tapping on the X on the right side of any drop-down box. You can also remove all of the filters by tapping Clear All. Tap Apply to save the filters. The map function is a visual tool to help routers locate inspection sites and to help group nearby inspections together. The leftmost header in the table is an icon of a map pin with a plus inside of it. To open the map, check any available box in this column. This will open a map on the right side and drop a pin at the address of that inspection. Drag one finger around the map to move the view. Use the plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out. Alternatively, you can use the pinch and zoom feature. Place two fingers on the map and drag them apart from each other or closer together. You can also rotate the map by placing two fingers on the map and rotating your fingers around each other. Click other checkboxes to add them to the map. Uncheck boxes to remove the pin. Unchecking the last box will close the map. If a checkbox is disabled, it means that the address does not yet exist in Google, and the map function is not available for that inspection. A router can change some data about the inspection, like the assignee, the due date, and the community. To route an inspection, use the second column in the table with the forked arrow icon. Select at least one checkbox, but you can route as many as you want at a time. After that, use the three inputs at the top of the page. Select an inspector from the assignee drop-down. Select a community from the community drop-down. Finally, set the due date for the inspection. Let's route several inspections together. Activate the checkboxes for the inspections that you want to route. Let's assign these to Mike. Select Mike in the assignee input. We will leave the community name blank, but remember that you can update this if you want. The due date is fine, so we will leave it as is. Tap Assign and then Confirm. The table refreshes, and when that's done, those inspections will disappear from the table. That's because the unassigned checkbox is still checked. If we uncheck it, we should see the inspections that we just routed. Tapping the refresh icon checks to see if any inspections have been added, removed, or updated, and then syncs any changes to your tablet. The process usually only takes a few seconds depending on internet speed. After the loading screen finishes, your inspections are up to date. In this video, we learned about the features in the Route Inspections page, including date and text filters, map view, routing, and refreshing. This concludes this training video. Thank you for watching.